Lesson 12, Symbols of Inclusion, Order of Operations. Starting out talking about this, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. This is the correct order in which we will solve all algebraic problems. We need to first of all do the parentheses, and then solve any exponents, and then we multiply and divide before we add and subtract. So looking quickly, you can see what are we going to do last? Addition and subtraction. So in this problem, the last operation we're going to do is adding this in between. Here, the last operation we're going to do is do this subtraction. Here, we're going to do actually this division, this line. So we need to solve the numerator and then the denominator, and then we can actually divide there. So let's work through this one together. Negative 3 minus 2 is, so we're down 3 and we go down 2 more. Negative 3 minus 2 is negative 5 times. Negative 4 minus 1 is negative 5. Negative 5 times negative 5 is positive 25. Positive 25. Here, 6 minus 2 is 4, minus 4 minus 6 is negative 2. So 4 minus negative 2, when we subtract a negative, is the same as adding a positive. So this, what you can kind of think is, this means minus a negative 2, we're actually adding 2. So 4 plus 2 equals 6. Here, negative 3 minus, we're going to solve inside the parentheses first. So negative 3 minus 3, I'm going to copy down the negative 5 times. Negative 3 minus 3 is going to be negative 6. And then plus, and then the 2 times 1 minus 3 is negative 2. Now we need to multiply. Negative 5 times negative 6 is 30, positive 30. And 2 times negative 2 is negative 4, plus negative 4. So 30 plus negative 4, so we got 30, and we combine it with a negative 4, and we get negative 26. I'm going to go back up here and talk about this one a little bit. In a way, we never subtract anymore in algebra. We always will add. So all this means is we're going to add the opposite of. So 4, and then we add the opposite of negative 2, which is positive 2, 4 plus 2. So we never subtract in algebra anymore. You can pretend like if you see a negative sign, it means add the opposite. Add the opposite of. So 4, add the opposite of negative 2. And the opposite of negative 2 is 2. 4, add 2, and we get 6. Going down to this one, let's solve the parentheses here first. I'm going to copy down the negative 3, and then parentheses around 10 minus 8 is going to be 2 minus our negative 4. And then down below, I'm going to solve this multiplication. I want to write it out. So 4, here we can go either way. We can write the negative 3 times 3, or we can go minus positive 3 times 3. We could stick in a little plus there. I'm going to just go negative 3 times 3. Negative 3 times 3 is negative 9. And then negative 13. Negative 13. Solving here on the top, and we get negative 3 times 2 is negative 6. Minus negative 4, subtracting a negative, we don't subtract, we just add the opposite of, so it actually becomes plus positive 4 plus 4 over 4 minus 9 minus 13. So 6 plus 4 is, negative 6 plus 4 is negative 2 over 4 minus 9 is, 4 minus 9 is negative 5 minus 13 puts us down at negative 18. Negative 2 divided by negative 18 is positive 9. Oh, wait. 2, 18, that's not positive 9. That would be 18 over 2. So it's actually 1/9, positive 1/9.